YouTube, what is good, my family? I'd like to say thank you to each and every one of y'all for tuning right back into the channel today. Huge blessing. I just want to say thank all of you guys for your prayers, your shout outs. Some of you guys hit me up on Instagram as well. I just want to say thank all y'all. I think I responded to everybody. I would like to let everybody know I am feeling a lot better, moving around. I'm basically getting my rhythm back. It's to the point now. It's like I can say I'm probably about 90%. Like, and I don't feel any type of way or anything. It's just, I guess, like after having that type of procedure, just take a little minute for your body to get back to being normal. But as we go in today, y'all, there is a new Ralph Lauren store in town. I'm gonna take that back. Really not new. They just switched the location to like a bigger location now. So I guess you could say it's new, because from what they were telling me, they're gonna have way more items in the store now. It is a very big store from the one that you guys have seen this store in the past. It was like our flagship store downtown in Highland Park Village. It wasn't really a huge store, but this store here is like really big from what I've been told. So you guys, today we're gonna go there, swing in there, see what all they have. Stay tuned to the end. Stay tuned to the end of the video. We're gonna do a try-on haul as well. I did order some items. We're gonna scoop those up. I'm gonna let you guys see what we did end up picking up. You guys let me know what you think about the outfit. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think about the outfit. Probably when this video drop, we'll probably be already at the 3,000 subscriber mark by now. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys again. Like, my goal is still this year 10,000 for the year. That is the goal this year. Like I said, my apologies, you guys, for slowing down. Had some things come up, can't control it. But yeah, you guys, let's get into today's video. So as you guys can see, this Ralph Lauren store is totally different from the outlook. I don't know, man, it's like a movie theater or something like that. But we definitely finna go in here and check it out. It's dope. made it to the crib. As you can see, we did cop a few things. Now let's get into these things that we grabbed today. All right, you guys, let's get right to it. This is not your average dad button down. This is a short set with a crazy combination of colors. And it definitely stood out to me. The part that really stood out to me is the material that it's made out of. I think it's made out of like a terry cloth. If you're not familiar with terry cloth, it's like a towel-like texture. Not too thick, not too thin, like breezy. Don't feel like real heavy on you at all. But yeah, man, let's get into the bottom or the actual shorts of this set right here. Now this is the second part of this set, the shorts. Now these shorts are 9-inch shorts, which is my favorite because I kind of like my shorts long to the knee or past the knee. And I just kind of figured that out on the Ralph Lauren site. Because sometimes we'll order shorts and I never noticed, I never paid attention to the side that it actually tell you the length of the shorts that you'll order. And luckily, because I'm gonna be honest with you guys, if these shorts weren't like 9-inch, I probably wouldn't have bought the set. So now let's get into the sneakers that we're gonna pair to complete this outfit. And to complete this whole fit, I did find these Air Force Ones right here. You guys, don't give me the name. Don't give me the name. Don't give me the line telling you guys the name of these. I seen them. I think they're called, the color scheme is coconut blue milk colorway to actually match up with this. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. If it wasn't for the shoes, I probably wouldn't have bought the outfit along with the shorts. Now, the shoes, definitely with me, I always start my shoes with every outfit. Now, if these shorts, you guys, were not 9-inch long, I probably wouldn't have copped this outfit even though it's dope. Because me, I just have a thing with my shorts. My shorts just have to be either to my knees or past my knees. But yes, you guys, make sure you guys comment down below. Let me know if this is a combination that you guys like. Let me know if you guys are rocking with the color scheme. Or even if this outfit that you will purchase, you know. Comment down below. Let me know. I will tag where I got these sneakers from. I got it from Stadium Goods. I think they are on Nike.com right now as well. They may even be on sale because Nike is running the sale. But yeah, you guys, thank you once again for tuning in to your boy. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Riding in the car, you probably can't even pronounce. Shawty got that ass, my tracks will truly make it bounce. Home run, hit her for the hometown. In the long run, killing with my own sound. Niggas vibes are out because I'm on now. Way up and I stay up like a drone now. Can't say sorry if I hit you with the mix. It's probably cause you hit me with the switch. Ay, came in clubbing every time we hit the Ville. Chop a can of twisted, baby girl just wanna